Hi Jake. How's your day going?
Hey Emma. Pretty good, thanks. Just getting through my to-do list. How about you?
Same here. Busy but productive. So, tell me about yourself. I feel like we haven't really had a chance to chat in depth.
Sure. Well, I'm 28, work as a software developer, and I'm really into hiking and photography. What about you?
Nice. I'm 27, a graphic designer, and I love cooking and reading. Any particular reason you chose software development?
I've always been fascinated by technology and how it shapes our world. Plus, I love solving problems. What got you into graphic design?
I've always enjoyed art and creativity. Graphic design seemed like the perfect blend of creativity and practicality. What's your favorite hiking spot?
There's this amazing trail near the mountains that has a breathtaking view. It's my go-to place to unwind. How about you? What's your signature dish?
I make a mean lasagna. It's my go-to comfort food. Ever tried cooking?
I've tried, but let's just say I'm better at ordering takeout. Any favorite books you'd recommend?
Haha, fair enough. I'd recommend To Kill a Mockingbird. It's a classic with great life lessons. What about you? Any favorite hobbies besides hiking and photography?
I enjoy playing the guitar. It's a great stress reliever. Do you play any instruments?
I dabble in piano. It's a lot of fun, especially when you can play a song you love.
That's awesome. We should have a jam session sometime.
Definitely. It would be fun. So, what's a fun fact about you?
I once did a skydive to overcome my fear of heights. What's yours?
Wow, that's brave. My fun fact is I've traveled to over 20 countries. I love exploring new cultures.
That's amazing. Any favorites?
Japan was incredible. The culture, the food, everything. How about you? Any travel aspirations?
I'd love to visit Iceland. The landscapes look surreal.
Iceland is definitely on my list too.
So, Emma, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother. We're pretty close. How about you?
I'm an only child, but I have a lot of cousins I'm close with. What's your brother like?
He's great. Very supportive and funny. We share a lot of interests. Do you have a best friend?
Yeah, my buddy Tom. We've been friends since high school. What about you?
My best friend is Lisa. We've known each other since kindergarten. Any memorable moments with Tom?
Tons. One time we went on a road trip and ended up camping under the stars. It was unforgettable. How about you and Lisa?
We once took a spontaneous trip to Paris. It was magical.
Paris, wow. That sounds amazing. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of French. Learning new languages is fun. How about you?
I'm learning Spanish. It's a beautiful language. Do you have a favorite word in French?
Pamplemousse, which means grapefruit. It just sounds fun. Do you have a favorite Spanish word?
Mariposa, which means butterfly. It's so pretty.
It is. Learning languages really opens up new worlds.
Absolutely. What's one thing you'd love to learn or try in the future?
I'd love to try scuba diving. Exploring the underwater world seems fascinating. How about you?
I want to learn how to surf. It looks exhilarating.
Surfing would be amazing. So, what's one thing you're really passionate about?
I'm passionate about coding and creating new projects. It's like solving a puzzle. What about you?
I'm passionate about art. Creating something beautiful from scratch is so fulfilling.
Emma, what's your biggest dream or goal?
I'd love to open my own art gallery someday. How about you?
I want to start my own tech company. It's a big dream, but I'm working towards it.
That's fantastic. I'm sure you'll make it happen. Do you have any tips for staying motivated?
Setting small, achievable goals helps a lot. And celebrating little victories. How do you stay motivated?
I keep a vision board. It's a great way to stay focused on what I want to achieve.
That's a great idea. What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is just a step towards success. What about you?
Always be curious and keep learning. It's served me well so far.
That's excellent advice. Always room to grow and learn.
Absolutely. Thanks for the great conversation, Emma. I feel like I know you so much better now.
Same here, Jake. It's been fun. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. See you next time.
See you, Jake.